Hi everyone, welcome to your final video announcement of this semester and maybe of your whole life. We have one more week left in the class. Man, it's gone by quickly. At least on my end it has. Hopefully you have posted your peer review materials. Whether you're doing a project or a paper, you should be in your small group, and whatever you have ready at this point, go ahead and post for your peers to review. We'll team up by twos, so the first two people that post in your discussion board by the earliest, they would be paired together, then 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and so on. So hopefully that will work well, and we can all get an extra pair of eyes on our paper or project in this module. So hopefully those are all posted tonight, and then you'll have until Sunday to peer review, leave some good feedback for your peer on their capstone assignment so that that can be turned in by the next module. So opening tomorrow is our final module, and there's a lot of things that are due. So we've been working on all of these things in parts and in pieces, so hopefully it won't be too overwhelming. I did want to give you enough time to get it all done through the semester though, so that's why they're all due in this last week. But starting with the capstone assignment, that final is due on Sunday of the next module, so in 10 days from now. The final presentation is also due at that same time. Your confirmation that you've completed your service learning hours is also due, and that will work a lot like the assignment in module, way back in module 2, part 1 work, and that is if you have confirmed your hours in OrgSync and the nonprofit that you worked with has confirmed those, I will be able to see those in OrgSync, so you can just make a note of that in the service learning hour confirmation assignment. If your organization is not in OrgSync, then you do need to have the service learning log sheet filled out, and that's in the course resources in the service learning resources folder. So get that filled out and signed by your supervisor. Hopefully you've been keeping track of those hours all along, and it just needs a signature and to be scanned and uploaded to that assignment. So in any case, that's due as well by the end of the next module. Finally, those of you who created your portfolios in Blackboard, I'm asking you, once you have all the assignments in there, all your justification languages and language and the assignment language for each outcome filled, once that's complete, please go through the process that's described in this next module of how to submit your ePortfolio to the portfolio assignment in Blackboard, and then how to share your portfolio to all system users. So you will, in that assignment, that final assignment, you will put the shared URL in the assignment, as well as submitting your Blackboard portfolio. Make sure that it's complete. Remember, those are just snapshots that I receive, and so if you add something after you submit it, I will not be able to see that. So it needs to be your final version of your portfolio. And then I can look those over and grade those. Those of you who created your portfolio in Digication, you will now, after the end of this next module, be able to submit outcomes 1 and 4, which are your capstone assignment should be the artifact in outcome 1, and your final presentation should be the outcome artifact in module in section 4, effective speaking. So just make sure once you have both those assignments done to upload this to your portfolio, and then upload those assignment sections in Digication. So I have videos and other information in the module, but if you have questions or need some help with that, just let me know. I'll be happy to help you. And then finally, there is one last discussion board where we get a chance to say good luck and goodbye to each other. I'm very proud of all the work you've done this semester. You guys have come up with some great projects and research topics, and I will tell you that at least 8 of you were selected to submit to present posters at the Service Learning Exhibition, which is next Thursday. So you should be getting an email from the Service Learning Department, and I will also send one out on the weekend. For those who were selected for that, congratulations. Everyone, I hope, will have time to come, if you're in the area, to come see the posters. So the information for that is on our Boise State website, but it's going to be in the Hatch Ballroom in the Student Union Building next Thursday, April 26th from 4 to 6 p.m. So it's just kind of a drop-in thing. Although if your poster was accepted, they do expect you to be there to explain your poster to those who come. So hopefully you can make it. I'll definitely be there to look over all the posters and congratulate those who were selected. So once again, thank you for all your work. If you have questions, let me know. And if I don't hear from you, I may not see you online because you'll be graduating. So congratulations.